this tutorial, I will show you how to remove StreamYard Mobile Authenticator in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. If you are trying to sign in to your Steam account and it is showing you this type of page, then to remove StreamYard Mobile Authenticator, click on I no longer have access to my authenticator. Then click on Contact Steam Support for more help and open it with any browser. Now scroll to the bottom and click on I deleted or lost my StreamYard Mobile Authenticator. Now enter your email address connected to your Steam account and check this captcha. Then click on search. Now click on I no longer have access to my StreamYard Mobile Authenticator. Now minimize it and open Gmail. Now click on the email from Steam. Here click on resume recovery and open it with any browser. Now click on I lost my authenticator recovery code. Now enter your current email address. Then fill your account details like username, your email address connected to your Steam account, phone number if you have connected. Now describe your issue. You can say I have lost my StreamYard Mobile Authenticator recovery code and I want to remove StreamYard Mobile Authenticator. Then check this captcha and then click on send. Now check your Gmail inbox and enter the code Steam Support have just sent you. Then click on send. After this they will send you an email. Just open that email and click on view message and open it with any browser. Now as you can see, they have removed the authenticator from your account. Now you can sign into your Steam account. That's it. So that's how you can remove StreamYard Mobile Authenticator in just few easy steps.